welcome back. Today I'm gonna play this game called Just Tornadoes 2, and let's go to Storm Chase. And also, I've been playing this game for a while. Got the armadillo, saving up for the what's it called? Hope you guys follow me on Roblox. My name is right here. Hope we go to Great Tornado today. Let's get to Storm Chase. Okay, so now we're going to it, and okay. So where is it going again? Okay. We might have a great intercept today. Hope we don't die. Okay, I might be probably sick. Okay. Deal. No. Editor, cut that out, please. Anyways, let's see. Are we gonna have a great intercept or the worst intercept? This one is a not great tornado. I could wait. Oh, nope. What are you doing, armadillo? How do you call me? I didn't know. Hope we have a great intercept. Place this down. I forgot. Wait, do I put it in? Or did I put this one? Oh my god. Oh no, the Dominator won. And oh wait, hold up. No wait. This is actually oh, someone died. Hey, no. Yeah, get out. Oh my god, we have a great intercept. Oh my god. Epic new. Well, Dom's in the Dominator ones just died. Sean Cassie, I forgot his name. Oh, I didn't realize that. 500. Oh god. Oh, okay. Well, I guess it's over, so we just grab our stuff. Oh, Bucko, chill out. You're gonna crash into me. That's how what happened. You're gonna crash into me like how you crash these deers, Returner. Being weirdo. Oh, I thought it was people. That's trains. Okay, editor, cut that out. Cut. So badly. And okay. Okay. Get that. I don't know if I put it in the right place. Okay. Get that one. How am I still driving? Yes. No. The bullet. Park. The bullet. No. Go back to the bullet. Oh! No. My floating? Oh my god. Oh my god. Where am I going? Oh, Okay.